Amigos, son las instrucciones para hoy, el 24 de marzo. Pues primero necesitan comunicar conmigo, por favor, llenar la forma, fill out this form to let me know how you're doing on usted and ustedes commands, and make sure that you click submit at the bottom. Y luego necesitan hablar, por favor, practicando los mandatos con pronombres. So I'm going to ask you a question. Debo, should I do these actions? And then I'm going to tell you if you should say yes or no, sí or no. And then you're going to take the command, the verb here, not debo. Debo means should I. You're not going to answer with should. You're going to say yes, wash it. So I'm going to give the command of the verb that comes after debo. And then I'm going to change the object to a DOP. And then depending on if I'm saying sí or no, if I'm saying sí, attach the pronoun to the end. If I'm saying no, we put the no pronoun first. So, debo lavar la cocina. Should I clean the kitchen? You're going to say either yes, clean it, sí, lávela, or no, don't clean it. No, no la lave. So you'll do that for debo cortar las patatas and tell me no. And then for these two, you're going to tell me sí. Y luego necesitan practicar los mandatos irregulares. Pues it's easy to, well, not easy, but it's straightforward to do the regular commands where you're using your opposite endings. But we have to remember all the irregular verbs that came up when we were learning present tense, such as stem changers, yogo verbs, and then we have just 5 irregular verbs like dar and ser and ver and such. And then we have our kargar zar verbs. So this Go Formative is practicing mostly those irregulars, and they're broken down by section. So first, I'm going to start you off with just some regular ones. Mezclar, escuchar, comer. All of those are just regular, where you take the endings and the O forms and drop the O and use opposite endings. Though make sure you pay attention to if there are any reflexives in here. Make sure you attach that reflexive to the end and add an accent. And pay attention if it's usted or ustedes came in. Then we're going to do our 5 irregulars, dar, estar, ser, saber, and ir. Then we've got some kargar zar verbs, so sacar, pagar, on the other ones. And then if you see a star next to it, remember those are also stem changers. So make sure you do both a stem change and a kargar zar. And remember those have spelling changes, the QU, the GU, and the C. Down here we have yogo verbs, meaning they have a go in the yo form, like poner is pongo, so its command is ponga or pongan. And then we have our different stem changers. We've got E to IE verbs, we have O to UE verbs, and we have E to I verbs. So a bunch of different irregulars, and then there's also some reflexives thrown in there. So don't forget with the reflexives, you attach those at the end. All of these are going to be affirmative commands, no no's. So attach them to the end and add an accent where necessary, and then you'll submit that. And remember, if you're struggling with that, not really sure how to do it, remember, if you are struggling on any of these, let me know, and I can hop on Go Formative and give you comments to help you figure it out. Have a great day. Adios.